Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, a lot of you will probably go down memory lane on this video. And even if you never used that service, you probably remember getting them in your mailbox. So, AOL, of course, you guys remember that they literally flooded the mailboxes with CDs. It's actually started with discs, floppy disks, 3.5 inch. I remember getting that floppy disk, and I remember getting several of the CDs afterwards. And, of course, for connecting to the internet. And it was a dial up service. And, of course, we're moving on to 2025, and there's some news about AOL dial up. Yes, it still exists, and there are still people that absolutely need it because there is no high-speed internet in many areas, rural areas in the United States, where apparently about 250,000 people don't have high-speed internet. And here in Canada, same thing. As there are some communities that still don't have the ability to have high-speed internet. Well, September 30th, 2025, AOL has announced that dial-up internet is going to be taken down. So this means no more dial-up internet through the AOL service. Um, I'm not surprised because I knew that there was still a lot of dial-up out there. There still exists a lot of dial-up out there from other internet service providers also. But I know that a lot of people are probably very surprised at this video and saying, what? Dial-up still exists? And imagine using the internet on dial-up today. I remember doing a test several years ago where I connected with a 56K modem to the internet, and just getting the Google logo and the Google search page was a hell of a long experience. So imagine dial-up internet today. Yumch. So September 30th, it's the end of an era for AOL. No more dial-up internet. And I guess as time goes by in the next years, several companies will slowly shut down dial-up internet also. So do you have fun memories of the AOL CDs? Maybe you've been an AOL user. Tell us our stories in the comments below. I remember my brother going on AOL because of the CD. And I remember a lot of my clients when I would do my tech duties that would ask me, I got this in the mail. What is it? And what can I do with this? And, telling them that it's an internet service. And I pretty much always told them, oh, use it as a tech coaster for your coffee in the morning. It's going to be like a, techie coaster, a geek coaster, AOL CD. So, interesting memories, I'm sure, for a lot of people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.